JD 26 here, just do tips and repairs and hobbies. How you guys doing today? I hope you're having a good morning, good afternoon, or good night, wherever you are. We've got the Gerber splice here, and everybody cuts hard materials like wire and belts, leather, and plastic zip ties, and things like that, and that nature. Well, let's demonstrate what this tool can really cut in a soft material. So we got some tissue here. We'll just lay it down like this, and this is a multi-tool. See what it does. Wow, it can really, it's that sharp. It can cut through tissue. Look at that. Okay. Of course, it's going to cut through paper, but tissue is a pretty thin thing if you have to cut through something soft. So it does the job. I'm not cutting it very precisely if I had to do this for a project, but let's try it. Pretty good tool. This is a really good tool to have on your hobby bench. You could probably cut spews with this tool, for models and things like that. So I wanted to show you that test, and I hope you're having a good day. And please rate, subscribe, and give me the notification bell, and the thumbs up maybe, or the thumbs down if you don't like this video. But I hope you have a good day, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.